Volkswagen has made it amply clear that its focus in India would also be on its SUV portfolio. With products like the Taygun, the T-Roc, the Tiguan Allspace, and now the facelift Tiguan, the company is making solid moves in the SUV space. This car right here has been officially launched at a price point of Rs 32 lakhs ex-showroom and introductory. But before you jump to the conclusion and say that the price point is slightly expensive, well, it comes in one variant, but that variant is fully loaded. From looks to the cabin to what's under the hood, everything in this first impression video. I'm Shubhadeep. You're watching HD Auto. The new Tiguan continues to have a very smart, very elegant face, but now it's also something that's a little bolder. That's predominantly by this massive grille, which is very VW, but is more pronounced now. The VW logo, as usual, comes here, right at the middle. The front bumper has been redesigned, and you can clearly see the piano black inserts, which give it a more sophisticated appeal. Then there is the Matrix LED headlight units here. It's got something that VW calls the IQ light. To simplify it, what Tiguan claims to do now is offer better illumination in all sorts of weather and terrain conditions. Each of the units consists of 26 individual LED elements. Now, why I say that the overall profile of the new car here looks very smart is because it's got a very flat, seamless bonnet. It's got twin character lines on either side, which again adds to its European appeal. Now, the same European design philosophy continues all around the car, especially at the side as well. Now, just a fair note here, this car is a fully accessorized car, so things like what you see on the top are not going to be as part of the standard accessories, quite obvious on that. But you can look forward to 18-inch alloy wheels. The alloy design is simple yet sophisticated. What you can opt for are these side skirts here, which is part of something that VW calls the off-road package. Off-road credentials should be pretty decent because this car is an all-wheel drive. It's also held by large circular wheel arches, very dominant character lines running through the entire length of this vehicle. There is a little bit of chrome plating here as well on the bottom of the doors, and the windows are quite large and generous, but we'll get to how that helps passengers on the inside in just a bit. But now let's take a look at how the car looks over at the rear. Now, the LED combination taillights look very smart, very elegant. Once again, and elegance is something that I will keep using in the adjectives, the descriptions of the new Tiguan. The LED taillights also come in a pattern, so how you see right now in terms of brake light, it's going to be very different when you actually apply the brakes. You have the nice big VW logo here, the Tiguan badge right here. There is a bit of silver finish here, chrome here on the rear bumper. But for me, the best part about this vehicle is the boot space it has. You can control the boot space, how you operate it through gesture, but just take a look at this massive boot here. 613 liters of boot space inside this vehicle. Now, once you decide to step inside the Tiguan, the changes sort of get even bigger, bolder, and more connected to present times. That's because this car now gets a whole lot of features, right from a panoramic sunroof to ambient lighting to an all digital display for the driver. Then there is an 8-inch screen, which I initially thought would have been a little bit small considering many cars now offer 10-inch main displays, but frankly I really like the way the main screen has been positioned. 8 is responsive to touch, but you would expect that. But it's also positioned in a way that I think under direct sunlight it would negate most of the sun glare as well. Now, you can connect your phone to the car. It will allow you to track the vehicle. It allows for geofencing, and that can be done via the VW app. Apart from that, the phone, while on the move, can be stored in the dedicated storage space here. There are two charging points, Type-C charging points here. The entire fit and finish of this car looks, for most parts, very, very premium. There is storage space on the center console. There is more storage space under the armrest here. The feel of the car is nice. It is an SUV and it surely feels like an SUV too. The seats are in leather and the stitching is of very, very good quality as well. The essence of this vehicle is that you sit up and you have a good, nice, commanding view of the road. So even in the back seats, take my word for it, there is a whole lot of space for two adults and a child in the middle. So long journeys on the new VW offering should be absolutely comfortable. Now, changes on the outside, a lot of updates on the inside, but perhaps the game changer of this new car would be what's under the hood. Out goes the diesel, in comes the 2-liter DSi engine in petrol, which is mated to a 7-speed DSG gearbox. This car produces 190 PS of power, offers 320 Newton meters of torque, and has an ARAI certified mileage claim of 12.56 kilometers to every liter. So there you have it, the one variant of the new Tiguan, fully loaded. 7 color options available on this car, and because it's a VW, it comes absolutely loaded to the brim and with a clear focus on safety as well. At rupees 32 lakhs introductory and ex-showroom, as I mentioned, it may seem like an expensive proposition for a few, but this car is actually continuing to target a very niche SUV buyer, someone who would want to be behind the wheel as well as on the back seat. What do you think about this car? Do let us know. For now, this is all that I have in this episode.